Thoughts are not the real problem. Mostly people say that I have a bad thought and negative thought in my mind, so it is a problem for me. But thoughts are not a real problem. Our reaction towards the thought is a real problem. Our reaction is mostly, we can say that, thinking. Sometime a thought came in mind, thought will stay there for a moment, but after that all the rumination which we produce in the reaction of thought, that is the problem. Thinking, we can say that that is a thinking. And sometime the energy of thought attract us to think about that thought. In this way, we start thinking too much, and thinking became very powerful. And sometimes the gravity of thinking put us into the fight and flight freeze response, and sometimes put us into the autopilot mood. So how we can decrease the power of thinking? Yeah, you can say that how we can stop thinking too much about everything. Only awareness of the present moment can help you to come out from that thinking. Only awareness of the present moment.